Today we'll show you how to create iCloud iPhone for free. Okay, just now follow these steps and don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, first go to Google and write iCloud.com and go here to sign in. Sign in. Okay, go here. Now create your Apple account. Click and now we will wait. Okay, so now we will now put our first name and last name and put your country and your birthday, and here put your mail or Gmail or Yahoo, what you want, and put password and repassword here, and again your country and phone number, please. Okay, here just you can put the text and the phone and anything. And here you can put this is a ticket like 1915. Okay, just I will do like this all and I will back to you. So guys, after this now we will write everything. Sorry for this blur, but I write something, my identity. Okay, so here we are write everything and now go. Okay, now we need to put here our this. Okay, just we need, if you don't see good, just new code and wait. Okay, like now NNZGA. Okay, now click and continue. Okay, now we will get a mail. Okay, just only 1 second. This is a mail. Join and write copy and put here and put now continue. Okay, now we will send a code in our phone. Okay, wait 1 second to put the code. Okay, 1 second. Okay, this is a code 78. Okay, now click to next, continue, and now go here. All you can read all this, and now hit agree and agree to, and wait a few seconds. And now we have now a account iCloud for phone, and you can put this account in your phone, in your Mac, in your any phone like have iOS version. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe and support me with a share and comments, and thank you for watching.